Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR X6b, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. To get started, you want to navigate into your settings. Scroll all the way down to System and Update, and then select Reset. From here, Reset Phone, and at the bottom you'll find Reset Phone again. But before you click on it, just make sure you get acquainted with this list right here. So through this process, basically all the data will be removed from the device, which importantly includes things like music, photos, and all user data. If you have anything like that you would like to preserve, make a copy of it to, for instance, your computer. We're gonna select Reset Phone. Now we do have the option to back up on the next page, though this will be done directly to the HONOR cloud. And what that means is that if your next device isn't an HONOR, you don't have access to this backup, which obviously isn't going to help you in this case. And also, I just kind of urge you against uploading your personal stuff to someone else's computer, as the cloud is just a fancy way of describing HONOR's database and their own drives and stuff like that, where you basically store your data. So they have access to it, even though it's encrypted. So I feel like it's much safer just for you to upload your own data to your own computer and have access to it also, regardless of what device you're going to be using at any time you want. So anyway, I'm gonna select right here Reset Phone without the backing up option, and this will now begin factory reset of the device, which will take about 2 minutes to finish up. And once it's completed, I'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.